Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create motivational reads on Instagram. So for this, you can take help from TikTok. You can search for motivational video and here as you can see, we have 287k likes on the first one, then 294k on the second one. And in the same way, you can search for their views, open their profile and click on just watched and you will be directed to that video. Here it is, and as you can see the video has 341k likes. In the same way you can take help from YouTube. Open the YouTube and search for motivational videos, and here as you can see we have 10 million likes, and here as you can see we have 10 million views on this video, 3 millions on this video, 3.8 on this video and 13 million on this video. So here you can simply copy the link, open the video
I believe in the
and
power of
here
words.
copy the link
Many
and then
people speak.
simply download this video and then upload it on Instagram. In this way you can create motivational videos on Instagram. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.